These are probably the best Jordan 1 fragments. Let's take a look. So before we get into the video, I just want to make it clear, I kind of technically did discover a new batch. I'm still not sure if the seller just restamps the shoe, but I was advertised LGR. Technically, it's a new batch. It has a stamp, so I guess this isn't LGR. Let's continue with the video. Yo, what is up, you guys? It's me, Boof, back again with another banger video. Today we have Jordan 1 fragments from the seller, Best Shoe Store. So they hit me up, sent me a pair of shoes, and I'm like, bro, I want the LGR batch. And they're like, I got you. They're selling it on their site for around $89, which is a fairly decent price for an LGR batch. So I was like, let's see what this is all about. Hopefully it's not XP batch like what happened with batch flaws. So luckily I have a UV light, so we're gonna see if it has any stamps. If it does not, then we good. Let's get to reviewing it, man. Over here, let's go. Alright, so let's see, take a look at these. Let me put this aside. We have no StockX stickers, no StockX tag. So let's see. If I'm not wrong, these debuted back in December 2014. They now go for around 5,000 bucks. Here's the price right here if I'm wrong. But by the looks of it, they're pretty good. Oh, never mind. We do have a StockX sticker. And I guess that's it. Oh. StockX tag. Let's go. Put this aside. I'm gonna remove this because we don't need them. They're just in my way. Move this one too. Alright. Throw this in the trash. Okay, so we only have a pair of blue laces, black laces. And if you're like an OG in my channel, I reviewed my first video that I ever made on replicas was a pair of Jordan 1 fragments, which one of my friends bought from 158 Sir. And this is the thumbnail right here. I uploaded it back in, I think, August of 2019. So yeah, I've been doing this type of content for a fat minute now, and yeah, it's just the whole loop. Now I got a pair to review, which is LGR batch, one of the best Jordan batches. Yeah, let's check them out. So I have my black light right here. Let me turn it on. Okay, so as you guys can see, it says BS. I'll do a little bit of research and see what that means. Wow, I was really excited for these, man. So let me give you guys a closer look. As you guys can see, it says BS. I mean, I have no idea what that is. After I switch camera angles, I'll do my research and explain what that is, if I can find any research, because I have no idea what that is. And I'm thinking we also have it here. Yep, it's right here. BS or SB. Wow, man. That kind of sucks, I guess. But yeah, let's go check out the flaws and do my little research on what that is, what that means. Let's go. I try to do a little bit of research, man, but still, surprisingly, this batch is actually pretty good. Better than LGR. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments, honestly. So we have that stamp, which can be easily removed. I'm not gonna remove it because I don't really care. So it says BS. I guess it's a new batch we just discovered because I literally can't find anything about it. Yo, pause the video real quick. I have to step in. This is me editing the video. I was thinking about it. I have no idea how. I didn't realize while I was recording this video that BS probably stands for the seller's name, you know, Best Shoe Store. So that might be it. Maybe these guys actually buy LGR and stamp it with their own to market theirs, because I know these are middlemen, or they actually have their own factory where they produce LGR and just stamp it with like their brand name. So this makes sense. I was thinking about it. So this is probably the reason why it has a BS stamp. Yeah. I asked some people on Discord, but when I saw these, like immediately the corner stitching, check that out, man. That's seriously one of the best corner stitching. It's like super separated. That's the way it's supposed to be. Check it. I showed pictures to someone in the Discord, and he was like, yo, that stitching is amazing. And I'll show you guys like a little clip right here. I can't really compare them to retail due to this shoe being kind of old. We can't find many comparisons between real and fake, so there's no way I could maybe legit check them other than comparing them to like any other Jordan. But as you guys may know, every Jordan has to have an hourglass. It's present. Toe box holes look fairly decent, very evenly placed the way they are supposed to be. It's pretty good. I can't see any pen marks, which I've seen before, which is good also. Really disappointed, man, honestly. I was expecting LGR badge. Wing logo embossing, let's check that out. I'm not sure what I could say about that. So yeah, so no feathers are touching each other, which is really good. That's the way it's supposed to be. Let's check the inside part. So we have this, and we have the Fragment logo. That's pretty cool, man. Looks good to me. At least it's not like OG badge, which is like the worst badge for Jordans, if you didn't know. In the booth scale, I give these shoes from Best Shoe Store a 9 out of 10 due to them not being LGR. That would have had 0.5. You know what? No. 8.5 out of 10, just because it's not LGR. If it was LGR and it didn't have that stamp, it would probably be like a 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, link in the description and in the comments, as well as, you know, that information. If you're planning to buy these, go ahead. $89 for a BS batch. It's pretty good. Corner stitching, the stitching around the sole, the midsole. It's just the BS, the false advertisement, the bait and switch, I guess. 'Cause I didn't even get QC pics. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This was Boof. I'm out.